Hi, you've reached ABC Plumbing. This is how a plumber's phone sounded in 1975. And here's the crazy part. Most plumbers still answer their phone the exact same way today, which means when they're under a sink or an inside crawl space or an elbow deep in a burst pipe, nobody picks up. And that customer with the flooded basement, they hang up and they call the next plumber on Google. That job is gone forever. So today I'm building an AI receptionist in GoHighLevel that answers every single call for a plumbing business. It talks like a real person. It collects the customer's name, their phone number, and even their problem. And it even books the job on your calendar. 24 hours a day, 7 hours a week, and it never takes a lunch break. It's time to give this thing right here an upgrade. So let's get right into it. So if you're selling that voice AI tool in GoHighLevel to plumbers, this video is for you. So first of all, log into your GoHighLevel sub account and go all the way down to AI agents. Then go to voice AI because we're going to create an AI that can actually talk. Now, you're going to click on agent list and then click create agent. Now, right here, you have three options. You can do browse marketplace, create your custom agent, or do a flow-based builder. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to select create custom agent. Now, this is the prompt section of your AI. You're going to have to give it a prompt that we're going to create later on in the video. And this is the web call. So you can actually test your AI. Now, this is the part where you actually deploy it. So you can select your phone number, you can do the call routing, and all other stuff. But first of all, let's create a welcome message. So the welcome message is what the AI actually says. So do you want the AI to say, hey, you've reached ABC Plumbing. How can we help you? Or do you want the AI to say something like, hi, you've reached ABC's Plumbing AI voice assistant. How may I help you? It's completely your choice. So you put right here what you want the AI to say when the call starts. But I wanted to say, hi, have reached ABC Plumbing. How may I help you? But again, I'm going to tell you, you put what you want. Don't copy this. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to hop on Claude and actually make this prompt. But if you don't have Claude, you can use any other AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity. But right now, we're in Claude. So let's type make a prompt I can give to AI so it picks calls for ABC Plumbing and make it very joyful and detailed. So we're going to press enter and give it to Claude. Now, Claude is thinking about all we said and making a pretty long prompt that we can give to the AI. And guys, it has made all the big prompt you have to make, but it just did the work for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to click copy and then head back to GoHighLevel. Right here we are, guys. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to delete all of this prompt just like that and paste our prompt that we copied in Claude. Now, what we're going to do is all of the prompt that we told Claude to make it joyful and interesting, it has done. But we need to select a voice. So what you want to do is go to voice and then select your voice. You can also go to my voices, and if you have any voices important from 11 Labs, you can use that like this one. Or if you just want to use it from library, you can go and use something like this one. But if you actually want to import it from your 11 Labs account, let's go do that right now. First of all, in 11 Labs, you want to head to voices, and you have three options here. You want to create a voice, you can search a voice, or you can go to your already created voices. So if you want to use a voice like, let's search up a keyword like joyful, and you want to import a voice, something like Camille. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the voice ID, go back to GHL, go to My Voices, and add custom voice. Now, if you want to see the whole process of this so you can get this right, go down to my channel and check that video out. Now, if you like that voice, what you're going to do is click Import Voice right here. Now, your voice will show about just like this right here. But make sure if the voice is already added, you cannot add it again. So let's choose this voice and do Save Voice. So that's how you select the voice and do the prompt. Now we're going to go to the action. Now, what do you want the AI to do? Do you want to get its phone number? So let's search up. Or do you want it to send an SMS? So let's search up send SMS. You can type your message like, "Hi, you have reached ABC Plumbing." Just like that. Now, when should the SMS take place? So you can choose anything like you want, and this message doesn't really make sense, but again, you put the message you want. So if you want something like, "Hi, when can you book your appointment?" you can put it that. But you should always choose when should the SMS delivery take place. So let's say when the person asks for an appointment. Just like that. Now, what to say before sending SMS? You can take a static sentence, a prompt, whatever you want. So I genuinely recommend prompt because it makes it way cleaner and nicer. And you put what you want in here, what you want to say before the SMS. So let's just say, "Hi, we can give you the link for an appointment." Just like that. Now click Save, add action name. So the action name will be send SMS, and then click Save. Now you have added that action, send SMS, and what we can do right now is go through all of this, but I've showed you the basic steps, how to do that, and you already know. So this is the knowledge base, select the knowledge base. You can create new knowledge base as you want right here in GoHighLevel, but if you ever want to check how to create a knowledge base, go down to my channel and again, check that video out. But you can do all the other stuff like call settings, agent behavior, and a lot of different stuff. So you can do the maximum call down time, maybe 20 minutes, or if you want 30, or you can do the idle time for reminder frequency 4 seconds, or do like 12 seconds, or times. Maybe we can do like 5 if you want, but it's your choice, completely your choice. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start a web call so you guys can actually check it out. "Hi, I want to book an appointment with ABC Plumbing, but I don't want to book it right now. Can we do like somewhere next month? I can skip my phone number maybe for later, and I can tell you my email later." So you can again test your agent just like that. But be aware there's only a certain amount of duration you can test it for. I think it's something like 15 minutes. And when you use that, it goes down. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on deploy, and you can connect a chat widget if you want to this voice AI. So your website's chat widget can already take you to this. And again, if you ever want to make a chat widget in GoHighLevel, go down to my channel, and that's the best video you can watch to create a chat widget. So you can put your number here, anything you want. Then you can do working hours 24/7, or you can do custom schedule, or you can do call routing, answers calls directly, or use as a backup when you're not available. And when you're done, you're going to click save, and If you're a plumber, the next time you're gonna take calls, it's not gonna be like this. It's gonna be with the AI because you are busy and you do your job. And the AI will handle the rest. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe because I post videos every single day just like this, and it will really support me. See you in the next one.